All right, let's talk about our goggles. We wear goggles to keep the water out of our eyes. But I always start people with knowing how to be very comfortable putting their face in water without their goggles, because goggles are notoriously leaky and they fill up with water. When you're in the shallow end, what do we do with leaky goggles? Well, we just take them off of our head and reset. But what do we do when we're in the shallow end, but we don't want to stand up? Or you're in the deep end and there isn't a bottom to stand on and you don't want to swim to the wall. How can we fix water in the goggles? First, I'm going to show you what not to do. Put some water in there. We don't want to pull our hands way out of the water because it's just going to dunk you under. The other thing we don't want to do, that I see a lot of, is try and do it on your front. Now I just really filled them up with water. The other thing, you don't have to be an expert shredder like I am to come out of the water and do it this way. Here's the trick. We want to be on our back float and just, they're all full of water. That's okay. We already know how to deal with water on our face. Not a big deal. But let me do it on this side. You want to sneak your hand up and let the water come out. We're going to sneak our hand very, very low. Now I can see again. Even though I dumped the water out of my goggles, you notice how I wiped my face off? I still have that sensation of water in my eyelashes and that sort of thing. But I can get enough out so I can see through my goggles again, and it's not just all full of water. The key is being sneaky and slow. Taking a nice big breath on your back so you're nice and buoyant, and a real sneaky hand to open it and let that water out. See you next time. Aloha!